ओम त्रिककुब धामने नमः। अनंतासन वैकुंठ नारायण पुराणितु त्रीणि धामानि वै विष्णोस्त्रिलोकाद् बहिरेव च. This sloka from Brahmanda Purana says, Lord Vishnu lives in his three abodes, Anantasana, Vaikuntha and Narayana Pura. In these three lokas, the inner personality or inner bliss of liberated souls gets expanded, opened forever, and the liberated souls go on experiencing their own inner bliss instead of the material bliss. In this word, the letter K means bliss, pleasure, and Kup, the root, means expanding, opening, and the word Dhama means abode. The Lord is called Trikakub Dhama because his three abodes, Anantasana, Vaikuntha and Narayanapura, open and expand the Ka, inner bliss. So he is called Trikakub Dhama. This word Trikakub Dhama has another meaning also. As this shloka from Matsya Purana, quoted in Bhagavata Tatparya by Acharya Madhva, says, Trimurdhasan Harirdhatte Jutrayam Murdhabhistribhihi Anantasana Vaikuntha Narayana Puranito. Lord Vishnu, with his three heads, holds his three abodes, Anantasana, Vaikuntha and Narayanapura. And he also lives there in those abodes.